Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Sir ButterScotch from Santiago of the Seas. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Right here in the middle, I'm going to start with the eye first. I'm going to do the bottom part of the eye, make it round on top, and bring it around and connect it. And from there, we're going to do the pupil, and as usual, we're going to do a little light reflection. And then we can fill the pupil in. Right in front of the eye, we're going to draw the beak. The first thing I'll do, I'll draw the bottom of the beak. Then we'll draw the top part as well. We're going to take it all the way around. And we're going to make it nice and round there. And then you're at the bottom. We'll do the other side as well. Then right on top, we're going to draw the feathers. There's one feather, and we're going to make it nice and round around the eye, bring it down, and we're going to stop roughly about there. And then we can draw a few other feathers right on top as well. I'm going to draw the neck area right there, and we're going to draw a little circle with an inner circle as well. And now we can connect the circle to the back of the neck, and we can do the same thing on this side as well. Here I'm just going to draw a piece of this cloth around Sir ButterScotch's neck, and it's sort of tied together like this. From there, we can draw this cloth, both sides, and connect it there as well. Now we can draw the wings. What I like to do first, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw the top wing. And I'm going to bring it out all the way up, all the way around, bring it back, and we're going to keep doing this. And we're going to extend the wings. Now we're going to draw the tip feathers. Bring it back. There we go. We'll do the same again. And again. And we're going to follow the wing until the tip. There we go. Now we can do the other wing as well. So I'm going to start here. Maybe I'm just going to make it nice and round so I can see. I'll bring it back. There we go. And we're going to do the tip feathers as well. All the way around to the back. Now for the chest. Right here, on top, below the cloth, we're going to draw a leg. And then here as well, a few zigzag lines. And we're going to do the other leg. So there we have the two legs. And now for the talons or the claws. And we're going to draw one toe. And we're going to draw the toes like this. And let's do the same on this side as well. There we go. Now we can draw the tail feathers. I'm going to start here. I'll draw one tail feather, okay, going out like this. We'll do the other one. And we can connect it back. So I'll start here on top. I'll just connect it like this. There we go. And there's Sir ButterScotch. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.